Weekend insights for the 1 Degree Outside Weather Network meteorologist Danielle Noyes here. It's going to be a beautiful weekend. We'll break down the details, the warmth that's coming in, the humidity still low, cooler at the coast on Monday with an onshore wind, and then the heat is on up near 90 or over that in spots Tuesday, Wednesday, sticky as well, real summer feel, and that will fuel some thunderstorms too. How much rain fell depended on where you were. Notice 1 to 2 inches for a little stripe here across southern New England and then into northern New England where we had daily record rainfall in spots. Montpelier, Vermont, one example, over 2 inches in Portland, Maine. And then in eastern Massachusetts, the western part of the state, northern and eastern Maine, it was little, if anything. We had these bands that did rotate in, but they were in kind of specific spots. Now that rainfall in southern and western Maine will help out the drought monitor. This was updated on Thursday, but it takes Tuesday to Tuesday precipitation into account. So the rainfall that did come down during the day on Thursday will be included in next week's map. The orange shaded areas are severe drought, which did expand across the Merrimack Valley. And then the orange areas extend into eastern and central New Hampshire and southern Maine with moderate drought conditions that did expand along the south coast of New England as well. So 42% of New England is in drought. We could use the rainfall and a soaking rain for everybody, as opposed to these areas that do see some higher amounts. Wow, look at these high temperatures, 80s, 90s, over 100 in parts of northern Texas during the day on Saturday. That heat and humidity fueling some thunderstorms, the risk greatest on Saturday from Nebraska stretching into Iowa, though we have a big area that extends into portions of the Midwest from Chicago down to Indianapolis for some isolated strong to severe storms, some rotation, some large hail, damaging wind gust potential in those areas. Those showers and storms will spread east. We've got a weak disturbance that comes in for us, but not until Saturday night. So our Saturday looks beautiful. Sunshine, a few clouds. Notice a shower does come through Saturday night and may linger into early Sunday morning. Then the cold front just kind of washes out and pretty much dies over us. So the rest of Sunday featuring varying amounts of clouds and sunshine, temperatures climbing into the 70s and 80s, cooler in northern New England. And then Monday, we've got an onshore wind. So the coastline will be noticeably cooler to those through the interior. Then that warm front pushes in and the heat is on. We go 90 plus Tuesday and likely again on Wednesday too, out ahead of this cold front. With the heat and humidity in place, we may fuel a few pop-up thunderstorms on Tuesday, and on Wednesday, some of them could become strong to severe as this cold front approaches, particularly by Wednesday afternoon and evening. So we'll watch the timing of that, but it's really the big story of the heat and the humidity that's going to be building as well. The humidity is in check this weekend, though. Notice the temperatures for our Saturday. Mid to upper 70s for most areas. The south coast will be a tad cooler right along the immediate shore, 60s to near 70 on the Cape. The southwest wind will be about 10 to 20 miles per hour, gusting 20 to 30. So not a damaging wind. You'll notice the breeze. Saturday night, a passing shower along with some scattered clouds. 50s to right around 60. So no need to worry about any frost by any means. Look at this on Sunday, 80 to 85. Central, southern New England, we hit 80 in Boston. That will be the first time we've done it so far this year, a little bit behind the climatological normal of May 3rd. 70s in northern New England and then cooling through the 60s in the afternoon. Widespread 40s to lower 50s Sunday night. The coolest spot, northern Maine, right around 40 degrees. The wind will let up a bit and then shifts around out of the south on Monday, though it will be an onshore wind. So at the coastline, you notice of Maine will be in the 60s. Eastern Essex County, maybe even hugging the immediate coast after reaching some 70s with an onshore wind that kicks in. But inland, we're still talking about 70s and even some low to mid 80s. Here we go on Tuesday, 90 degrees in many areas. Central, southern New England, lower Connecticut, River Valley. Boston even has a shot at 90 degrees on Tuesday, which would be ahead of the climatological norm, which is normally in the beginning of June, June 6th. 80s all the way to the Canadian border. So record-breaking heat in spots for Tuesday and again on Wednesday, and it will definitely be a couple days to be weather aware for some thunderstorms cropping up. We'll, of course, keep you posted on that. With this summer feel, you may want to buy some new merchandise. Tank tops, we've got 16 colors to choose from. The flip top water bottle, beach towel on there too. All of our gear, check it out, is at swag.onedegreeoutside.com. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this 1 Degree Outside video.
Get exclusive content, support the mission at membership.onedegreeoutside.com. And don't forget, free and 5 stars on the App Store and Google Play. Search the #1 Degree Outside Weather.